this time?
280.
Not a small. There was a situation in the North Rift where a center manager gave alcohol to 1 or 2 officers to consume. So this tells you, ladies and gentlemen, that they go to the extent of identifying your social character. If they know your weakness, then they follow you. But unfortunately for them, because I've told you, we have a multi-agency approach. Don't think we only have the uniformed policemen. There are other Kenyans who may not be policemen, they may not be education officials, but we shall catch you in the act. Like there was a boy who was crying in another school somewhere this morning that he paid 700 shillings to somebody, and he was saying it would have been better if he paid it to Sports Pesa so that he knows it is lost. But he's not wise, because why was he paying it? So that's why, and then he sees the exam is different, and they are unable to get the exam back to classroom. We have had situations where phones are placed in places where normally if you are going to frisk somebody gently, you will not be able to find them. So you have to be more aggressive. When you put a phone directly in between your legs, and then afterwards you wear a buibui or you put it under your pants, then you need a very aggressive person to identify that phone. And it is very, very unfortunate indeed. The biggest incident was here in Nairobi, where a total of 35 cell phones were found from learners in one center. The center is St. Teresa's Boys. It is a government school, but there were 153 private students taking an exam there.